Hi again and welcome to your Momentum Booster Shop. Quick coaching for smart business growth, helping you get momentum every day and results all year. Now, whether you're planning to sell, step back or scale, your business should be able to run without you being at the centre of everything. And planning for exit or succession doesn't mean you're stepping away now. It means you're building a business with value and not just a job and the stress that can bring along. And to help you along with that, firstly, you want to start thinking like a buyer. If someone else were taking over, what would they need to have in place and be willing to pay a really good price for? Things like clear financials, systems, customer relationships, and reduced founder dependency. You also want to make sure that you systemise what it is that you do best. Anything that relies solely on you, your knowledge, your relationships, your decisions, all need a system, a process or a person in place. So start today, document everything. Even a simple standard operating procedure for how you handle key tasks builds transferable value and future freedom. Okay, your momentum move for today. Pick one repeatable task you currently do yourself and write a simple step-by-step outline of how it works. That's the start of your exit ready playbook. And remember, these tips only work if you work there, so give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Trust me, you will thank yourself later, because one step every day, that's momentum.